Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create Equalizer preset for your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones, and after that scroll down. Now click on the sound, and then click on the settings icon near to the Equalizer line. Now swap the sliders right here, choose the best one for you. Let's say I wanna bass max, and here. Then click save. And we have our preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!